Morning at the Cackleberry Maternity ward. Oh, coffee. Can't believe they shut up for a minute. That is my world. Camera's on autopilot. And it's raining again. Raining, no internet service, no phone service. No ambition to go lay out in the rain to work on brakes on my truck or anything else on it. Too wet. Okay, the chickens are quiet so I can hear my thoughts again. So no need in trying to entertain anybody, even me. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying. Morning. Now the chickens will get loud again. Maybe I can call in the turkeys. Nope, they're out grazing. Anyway, I don't know what I'm doing. Talking to myself? Who knows? Maybe there'll be some internet and I can find out what's going on in the world and let others know what's going on with me. 4 minutes, 8 seconds and counting.